How to create a watch list on Stocktwits. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and want to keep track of your favorite stocks without missing a beat, here's how you do it. Launch open Stocktwits application on your device like you normally do and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page you'll need to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the Watchlist tab. Now in the Watchlist, go ahead and tap on Add Symbol. Now on the next page, type in the ticker symbol of the stock you want to follow at the top of the screen in the search box. After you do that, after finding the symbol, tap the plus icon right next to it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the symbol to your watch list. Repeat this step in order to add any other symbol. Just click on the plus sign right next to the symbol and you are done. Now you can get back to the home page and you'll see all the symbol that you've added in the watchlist tab. You can rearrange stocks, press and hold it, and drag it along the screen inside your watch list. You can also remove the ones you're no longer interested in or even add more symbols on your watch list. So there you have it. Now you have a personalized watch list on Stocktwits to track your favorite stocks effortlessly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.